This is a completely new software that I've never shown anyone before, let alone anyone on this channel. Yet, with only one click of a button, it can make you money. Stick with me if you want to know what I'm talking about, because I'll explain everything in this short video. This unique software will handle all of the hard work for you. It will send emails and make you money, and it will do it for the benefit of your passive income. Before we go further to this video, welcome to my channel, where we'll show you the best ways and strategies to make money online. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. So let's get back to the video. VFly.com is the first site you should go to, and it is the one that will be paying us today. You might have heard of this website, but chances are you haven't because it's not that well known. So first, let me explain what it is. VFly is a website that allows you to buy YouTube views. By the way, I'm not talking about buying fake views. They get you actual views by utilizing Google Ads, which effectively advertises your video of choice, resulting in more viewers. With that brief explanation out of the way, let me be clear, you will not make money on YouTube. So I will not encourage you to record a video or something, and then go to VFly and pay them to raise the number of views for that video or anything similar. As most of you are aware, this is the website that will be paying us, not the other way around. Therefore, I won't go into the features of this website because they are currently irrelevant to us and our purpose, and you can see what they have to offer for yourself. So without further ado, here's what you should do. First, when you arrive at VFly, you can already tell that you'll be marketing this website as an affiliate by scrolling all the way down to the bottom of the website and clicking on Affiliates. Under the Explore section, I'd say that this platform is one of the best websites to advertise as an affiliate today if you have no skills or experience. This is ideal for beginners because, for starters, not many people are aware of the slide. It only received 70,000 visits in the previous month. This is important because if you promote a well-known website to people, chances are that some of them have already heard of it, which means you will not receive any clicks on your affiliate link and will not be able to make as much money. VFly's second distinctive feature is that it has received positive Trustpilot ratings. Having positive ratings is beneficial because it makes persuading people to try out the website much easier than it would be otherwise. Getting someone to buy what you're selling is the most difficult step in general, especially when they have to invest a little more money. With positive reviews, people will be a little more open to making a purchase, and you'll be paid whenever they do. Finally, the best part about the service is the type of people who use it. Those who want to start a YouTube channel. But before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you love the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's not time to get back to work and earn some money. Hundreds of millions of people have a fairly big channel. As you can see, your customer pool is virtually endless and more individuals are joining every day. This will substantially boost your earning potential, and more importantly, it will allow you to earn passive revenue while doing nothing thanks to the tools that will be combined with the website. Before we go any further though, it's crucial to realize that you won't make a lot of money for each person you refer. This is because the flight takes a 15% fee, which isn't a lot of money. However, given the huge benefits, such as the seemingly unlimited customer pool that I just mentioned, I don't think this is a big deal. If you want to learn more about the VFly affiliate program and all the benefits it offers, simply click here to become an affiliate. On the next page, you'll be asked to sign in, but if you don't have an account yet, go here to create one. From here, you can sign up with Google, which is obviously faster and better than email, in which case you must fill out a bunch of information, including your full name in these two boxes, email and passwords in these two boxes, and then type your password in the box below. Check this box and click Sign Up to finish the process. You'll be able to obtain your affiliate link. Once you've registered into your new account, and everyone who clicks on it will be led to the slide where you'll be rewarded if they make a purchase. The main issue now is traffic. And despite the fact that I stated that you have a limitless consumer pool, you'll still need to discover people who wish to build their own YouTube channel. You may identify people that wish to establish their own YouTube channel by utilizing YouTube itself, which is exactly what you should do. Search for how to get more views on YouTube, how to increase your YouTube channel, how to develop a YouTube channel, or something similar. You don't have to use these exact phrases, just something close. In any event, YouTube will now offer you a cornucopia of films. The next step is to locate ones that are a little bit more recent, maybe 2 or 3 months old. In either case, you'll need to visit a number of them and read the comments section. The literal perfect clients can be discovered in the YouTube comments section, because these people who have left comments on this specific video are all interested in starting a YouTube channel. And because you have presumably taken the time to write everything down, there is a strong chance that if you contact some of them, they will at least look into what VFly is all about. You can reach out to people in one of 2 ways: by email or by responding to a specific comment. The first option is slightly better, but it has a basic problem in that it does not include everyone's email addresses. To find it, browse to Channels About section and scroll down until you see an email address. If you don't see one, you're out of luck. However, if you do, you can contact them and everything you say in your email or in their reply will be effectively the same. Go over all of the FLES features with them and tell them that it's great for expanding your YouTube channel and that it's completely legal. Simply type something along those lines in answer to all of these people. And when one of them purchases something, which will certainly happen over time, you'll get around $10 or so, which is actually quite nice. Furthermore, anyone who sees your comment with your affiliate link, not just the person you're talking to, can check out VFly. So this has a huge potential to make you a lot of money online and in passive income. And every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you'll earn a lot of money. It's really that simple, and that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.